Adventure Quest 120 here, and I'm pretty much just wanted to show you my grinder. Pretty badass. It's got like a pot leaf right there if you can see it, and then it's got like, it's not like, it's the only metal thing in it is the piece that grinds it up. It's all metal. I mean, it's all wood. Besides that, it's got an Auburn sign though. I'm gonna have to paint over that bitch. But yeah. It just comes straight apart. You can even do it like this. If you let it go, fall apart because there's no metal holding it together. But yeah. Pretty badass. Just watching TV too. Bored as fuck. That's my DD's over there if you can see it. Fucking Pepsi. Some cigs. South Park poster. GTA 5 poster. Cool. And alright, well, I'm signing off. Peace, you guys. Grinder.